In the intricate tapestry of modern life, insurance has become an integral thread woven into our everyday routines. We insure our cars against accidents, our homes against natural disasters, and even our smartphones against mishaps. Yet, amidst this flurry of policies and premiums, there's one crucial aspect of our lives that often gets overlooked: insuring ourselves. Consider for a moment the myriad of risks we face in our daily lives. From unexpected medical emergencies to unforeseen accidents, the potential for disruption looms large. Yet while we diligently safeguard our possessions with insurance coverage, we often neglect to protect our most valuable asset, ourselves. One of the most glaring examples of this oversight is the failure to insure our earning potential. Think about it. What would happen if the paycheck stops? For many individuals, the sudden loss of income due to disability or illness can spell financial catastrophe. Yet, despite the looming threat, disability insurance remains one of the most underutilized forms of coverage. Imagine a scenario where you're unable to work due to a debilitating injury or illness. Without a steady stream of income, how would you cover your living expenses, mortgage payments, utility bills, groceries? The financial obligations don't disappear just because you're unable to work. Without adequate disability insurance, you could find yourself teetering on the brink of financial ruin, struggling to make ends meet while grappling with your health challenges. Moreover, it's not just the loss of income that poses a threat. There are also the mounting medical expenses to consider. Even with health insurance in place, the out-of-pocket costs associated with a serious illness or injury can quickly escalate, draining your savings and plunging you into debt. Without a safety net to cushion the blow, the ripple effects of a health crisis can reverberate far beyond the realm of physical well-being, taking a toll on your financial stability and emotional resilience. Yet, despite the glaring need for disability insurance, it often remains an afterthought for many individuals. Perhaps it's the misconception that disability only happens to others, or the reluctance to confront the possibility of life-altering events. Whatever the reason, the consequences of ignoring this critical form of coverage can be dire, but it's not just disability insurance that falls by the wayside. There's also the issue of life insurance. While many people recognize the importance of providing for their loved ones in the event of their passing, a significant portion remain uninsured or underinsured. Without adequate life insurance coverage, families are left vulnerable to financial hardship. In the wake of a loss, struggling to cope with the emotional and financial fallout. So why do we prioritize insuring our possessions over insuring ourselves? Perhaps it's because tangible assets are easier to quantify and protect, while the value of our own lives and livelihoods is harder to quantify. Or maybe it's because we're conditioned to prioritize immediate needs over long-term planning, focusing on the here and now rather than the what-ifs of the future. Whatever the reason, the truth remains: we cannot afford to neglect our own well-being in the pursuit of material security. Just as we safeguard our cars and homes against the uncertainties of life, so too must we protect ourselves and our earning potential. By prioritizing disability and life insurance coverage, we can ensure that our loved ones are taken care of and our financial futures are secure, no matter what the future may hold. In conclusion, while we may diligently insure our cars and homes against the perils of life, we must not forget to insure ourselves. The paycheck may seem like a constant, but the reality is that our earning potential is fragile and vulnerable to the unexpected. By recognizing the importance of disability and life insurance coverage, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from the financial fallout of life's uncertainties, ensuring that our futures remain secure and our peace of mind intact.
Hey guys, remember, when the paycheck stops, everything stops. If you don't have life insurance or some type of insurance set up for yourself, everything stops. If that income doesn't come in on a monthly basis, everything stops. Just remember, life insurance is designed to be used while you're alive. You don't have to die to use it. You insure your car, you insure your home, but you never insure yourself. What if something does happen to you? What if you're not able to work? What if a teenager swerve in your lane while he's texting and driving, and next thing you're in a hospital for several months? What are you going to do at that point? you need to insure yourself. Think about this.